Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 10 of this challenge 30 Days of Automation. Today, I was thinking about families and people with kids. Yes, because especially here in Dubai, I'm not sure everywhere else, but we receive a lot of emails from school with new events, special days, what they need to wear, some special occasion and days. So sometimes something can go miss. How we can automate this process? Um, Use Zapier again. I created a specific email inbound. So when a new inbound email is received in this email by Zapier, there is a prompt of ChatGPT that actually is analyzing the text and understanding if there is an action, a date, or anything should be highlighted. And when this is done, then it's creating automatically a new spreadsheet row in a Google Sheet. So at the end, I'm going to have a spreadsheet filled in with all dates and action for the next coming weeks and months. Hope this helped. Have a great day.